just wait right there. If you'll look, you can tell by this, it shows up a little better on screen, that this engine is vibrating pretty badly. Hey guys, as you can see here, we're going to use some CRC intake valve and turbo cleaner. The intake valves are gunked up from carbon buildup, has quite a few miles on it here now. So we need to get this cleaned up and see if we can take care of this car, see if CRC is the real deal, or are we going to have to take off the intake manifold. Well, stick around, find out. But let me know in the comments below, you think this guy's actually going to work? Or is this just snake oil? So stick around and find out. Well guys, are you ready to get wrenching? I know I am. So first thing you want to do, loosen up any screws, clamps for the filters. You want to make sure nothing's going to get pulled inside the intake. You want to make sure that this straw is downstream from the MAF sensor. This car doesn't have a MAF sensor, but if it did, it'd be fine. Say the MAF sensor was right here, then the only thing I would have to do is insert my straw a little bit past the MAF sensor downstream towards this throttle body. So let's move on to the next step. Just want to make sure you guys knew that. Okay guys, you want to make sure your engine is fully warmed up, and you want to have it set on about 2,000 RPMs. Use a stick or something and use the seat to kind of slowly press on the throttle plate. Okay guys, once you have it up to 2,000 RPMs, you can go ahead and start spraying in short bursts until the can is empty, so leave a second or two between each burst. Okay guys, it's going to be hard for you guys to hear me, but I want you to hear the sound. I want the entire real effect. So I'm going to go ahead and get started spraying. Okay guys, once you get through spraying the can empty, the next thing you'll want to do is rev the engine up to 3,500 RPMs, no more than 3,500 RPMs, 2 to 3 times. Once you've done this 2 to 3 times, next step, allow it to heat soak for 1 hour. So turn the engine off, let it heat soak for 1 hour with the engine off. Make sure you come back. After your hour, start the engine and drive at highway speeds for at least 10 minutes. So like I said, make sure you guys allow it to heat soak for 1 hour after you've revved the engine before you even turn it off to 3,500 RPMs. And then come back after your hour, drive the engine at highway speeds for 10 minutes. So at least drive it for 10 minutes at highway speeds. I'm really curious to see if this helped out with the carbon buildup. So we'll see how good this stuff really is. See if it cured the vibration issue. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Reassemble the airbox. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm at well, about 2,500 RPM. So here I have this connected to the seat. So I'm just gonna take the seat back. Move it. I'm gonna give it some gas. Alright, now we done what it said. Let the RPMs go back down before we turn the engine off. Wait for it. Now let's turn it off. Now we've got the engine off, and we're going to allow it to heat soak for 1 hour. Okay guys, here's the next part. We're taking her on the road, and we're going to get her up to highway speeds for at least 10 minutes. Actually, this is going to be more like an hour. So I'm hoping this is going to fix the vibration issue. Sorry for the camera movement here. We're going over some bumpy terrain. A lot of off-road. Well, gravel, should I say. So okay, here we are, about to get on the road. Okay guys, you can see we're on the highway now. So we'll drive like this for a while. Like I said, you need at least 10 minutes as the instructions said. Myself, it'll be about an hour total for me, so I'm really curious, as I said before, to see if that took care of my issue with the carbon buildup causing vibration. So what do you guys think? You think this stuff helped, or you think it's just snake oil? Or, I mean, really, what do you think? So let me know in the comments below. Has this stuff ever really made a big difference for you? Have you ever tried it? So hit me up, and I want you guys to make sure you get ready to get wrenching for the next upcoming video. And I want to let you guys know that I really appreciate your time. It means a lot. I know you guys take time out of your day to watch some of these videos, and I just want to give a special thanks to you for that. So time's everything, and I definitely understand that as much as anybody. So you guys be safe and keep on wrenching. Wow guys, I cannot believe it. I'm actually surprised it actually helped. Look, it's barely moving at all. I can't believe it. So I guess this guy did help. It's not with that rough idle anymore. CRC, yeah, I give it a thumbs up. I'm not promoted or paid at all. So I want to thank you guys for watching.